Do okay, guys, we're out here at the Pacific Plaza, access to the county's underground, so forth. And you can see they're out here camping right here by the gate on the other side there, and having their and you can see all the trash and debris. And so they're also habitating the channel underneath, okay? And it doesn't look like the gate has been compromised, but I can't go there. My manager said I can't engage them, but there they are. And what is the county doing to prohibit this and enforce the laws? Okay? Thank you. Okay, here we are at Batson, and it appears as though Batson is in pretty good shape. Okay, let's see if it's locked under here. Appears as though that's locked and pretty well clean here. Let's go check Diamond Plaza. Okay, here we are at the Diamond Plaza situation here. We have to ask ourselves, what is going on here? Okay, look at this pile of trash here. Look at all of this trash here. We have broken glass here. Whatever that is supposed to do. Because the thing is, the county is allowing these people to go down and build a sanctuary, if you will. Look at what we have down here. Look at what we have over here. And this is Hilda Solis, the mayor of Rowland Heights, is allowing this. And what they do? They allow them, they give them trash bags. Isn't this beautiful? I mean, the humanity of it all. Okay, so, and this is Ryan Romo's turf. What is Ryan doing about this? Okay, well, we'll have to bring it to Hilda Solis's attention, and Ryan will give you his number, and you can give him a call and say, what the hell is going on here? Okay?